Hello, this question is about how to convert the number into different bases to the base 10. So we're converting from different bases to base 10. In this question, you see base 5 to base 10, but if you look at different question, you have base 7 to base 10, you see base 6 to base 10, same idea, but you see you're converting from base 7 to base 10. So let's do, I don't know, let's just walk into one of them. Let's try. I mean, which one we do? Okay, let's do this one. Okay, base 6 to base 10. Okay, so there's a 3 column here, and you're filling the box on the second column and third column. Second column goes to the place values of given base, and third column goes to digit times place value. Okay, so let's finish this second column with the place value in base 6. Remember that in this question, this one is this one, so this one is the rightmost digit in the place value is the bottom here. So this digit had the place value 1, this one has a place value 1. So in the base 6, the place value going to be power of 6. The first one going to be 6 to the power 0, which is the rightmost. This is same as 1, or you can type 1 if you like, or you can type 6 to the power 0. That's the same thing, because anything power 0 is 1. So this digit for the second digit from the right has a place value 6 to the power 1. The next one, this third digit from the right has a place value 6 to the power 2. 6 to the power 2. And this 3, which is very left digit on this numeral, has a place value 6 to the power 3. Okay, if you want to simplify 6 to the power 1 and write 6, that's fine. 6 to the power 36, that's fine. It really doesn't matter. You can see the preview is exponents form. That's okay. So now for the next last column, you multiply digit and the place value. So you multiply 1 times 1, which is 1, multiply 4 times 6, which is going to be 24, multiply 6 squared times 4. 6 squared is 36 times 4. 36 times 4, this gives you 144. 144. And the final is 6 to the power 3 times 3. Let's do that. 6 to the power 3 times 3. 6 to the power 3 multiplied by 3. This gives you 648. 648. Okay, now to find the answer, you have to add all this product. So I'm adding 648 plus 144 plus 24 plus 1. So you get 817. So in other words, 3441 in base 6 is same as 817 in base 10. Okay, that's how you do it. And let's check the answer. So everything looks okay. So that's how you do it. If you do similar questions, now base 4 here, it's just basically keep writing same as before. You get 4 to the power 0 at the very lower place value, and next one is going to be 4 to the power 1, 4 to the power 1, which is same as 4, and so on. And you just multiply and add to find the answer. Okay, I think this helps you. Thank you for watching. Bye.